back with another video. And today, I have soccer. I know it's raining and it's a Tuesday. Tomorrow's our field trip at school. Going to the Regina Police Services. I'm pretty sure my dad's going to be there. He might come and see me. Because he works right near the Bronx Center. So he might have one of these. My mom's coming. So then, I want to talk to you. I do not know why. Today's soccer. Not already. Because we still have to eat supper, and after supper, I'm gonna get ready for soccer. I'm gonna go there. Morning comes and you know that you wanna stay. Yeah. I'm really It just doesn't say Ava on the back. My name is not Lindsay. It's just on there in as my mom's account. Let's continue tonight. Come on, celebrate. That's how we do I'm having hot dogs and corn. Oh no. Magic trick is I just put string in my mouth. Wait, that got sick. Okay, so see you later. If you like this video, please click like, subscribe, comment. Again, if you're in soccer, it looks like if you like this video, please click like, subscribe, comment. Again, the last video where I had soccer, comment if you are in soccer. I already said that, but